State Chemical EnviroResponse bio-based penetrating oil is ideal for loosening up even the most difficult seized parts. Rusty seized bolts and nuts are tough to free. Why risk damaging the part or your hands when you can use environmentally preferred EnviroResponse bio-based penetrant? Simply spray EnviroResponse on the seized part and allow the penetrant to work for 10 minutes. Specially formulated penetrating ingredients in EnviroResponse draw the lubricant up the threads and into tight joints where the lubricant can free rust and loosen parts. The patented formula actually works faster on rusty parts, making this the ideal product for working on older, weathered equipment. The patented EnviroResponse bio-based penetrant is completely VOC compliant and meets all regulatory requirements in the United States and Canada as an industrial penetrating lubricant. EnviroResponse Pen is formulated using plant extracts and meets the stringent requirements for the USDA BioPreferred program. If you're environmentally concerned, need to meet new VOC regulation limits, or are looking for a USDA BioPreferred product, then you should use EnviroResponse bio-based penetrant. EnviroResponse bio-based penetrant is available in cases of 12 convenient 14-ounce aerosol cans. Ask your state representative for additional information and availability options.